Hey, this is Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to cook Instant Pot frozen broccoli. Yeah, frozen bag of broccoli from the supermarket, loaded into the Instant Pot or any other electric pressure cooker, steamed on a 0-minute cook time, and then you've got perfectly cooked broccoli. It's perfect for so many different recipes and it makes it easy because then you don't have any prep to do. So what do you need to be able to do Instant Pot frozen broccoli? Well, to start with, you need your steamer basket set up. So we've got our trivet, our favourite steamer basket, and then some water, and then of course the frozen broccoli. So first of all, start with a cup of liquid to put in to your Instant Pot. A cup is the same as 240ml for those of our readers in the UK, and it's so that it goes to pressure. If you've got a bigger pot, you might have to do 1.5 cups. So put in your trivet, add in your steamer basket, and then you're ready to go. Let's get this broccoli open, shall we? This is 900 grams, so that's like the equivalent of £2 worth of frozen broccoli. And then you just want to press it down a bit so it all fits. And then you can season it with some salt, and then you can get it on. So then grab your Instant Pot lid. Make sure it's set to sealing and not venting. And then you want to be setting it for just a 0-minute cook time. If you've not done 0-minute before, then basically when you're setting the time, you go right down to 0. And then the cook time is the time it takes to go to pressure without any other cook time added on, and then a very quick pressure release. Because frozen broccoli is already partially cooked when it goes in the freezer, so you don't want to cook it for longer than that, otherwise it'll end up really mushy. So press your pressure cooker button and then make sure it's set to 0. If yours is one that won't go down to 0, set it as 1 and then wait and listen for when it beeps that it's gone to pressure, and then press cancel. And then give it a minute and it'll start and you'll see the on sign. And we've beeped. So that means we've done the 0 pressure cook. And now let's release that pressure. And we've finished releasing the pressure. Now you can expect lots of steam. So we're just going to give it a minute for the steam to disappear, and then I can show you close up what frozen broccoli to cooked in the Instant Pot is like. So then let's check on the frozen broccoli, well, which isn't frozen anymore. The steam's all gone now, so I can show you how amazing it is using the steamer basket in the Instant Pot. Look at that bit there. It's a big one, that one. Oh, I just love frozen broccoli in the Instant Pot. And if you've got a multi-cooker, what you can do is you can do this first. So you can grab your frozen broccoli, steam it, and then you can put it on air fry and finish it off and make it lovely and crispy. And it speeds up the process, and it's hard with the air fry to get it right because you end up burning it too soon because you can't get the stalk fork tender. So it's a great in between. So if you've not tried it before, grab yourself a bag of frozen broccoli and steam it in your pressure cooker, and it's just perfect. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to RecipeThis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.